There are 523 houses and 38 villages which were affected by the cyclonic storm in the east and west Khasi Hills district. The Deputy Commissioner of the district, Gideon Karmauplang, yesterday informed that there are 38 villages which were affected by the cyclonic storm. 523 houses were destroyed and 2,615 citizens were affected by the storm. 15 people were injured and one deceased. He also informed them that they have visited those villages and houses that were affected by the storm and provided them relief camps and relief funds.
Assess kini damage plus kat kumka rule jo ka government ni inum tak relief kin habban hadi bila da file FIR video harin kat baki photographic evidence hadi nyo katangi salaman pengdayo report ni salaman perlai ya ka relief sekini ki beri gula syakta akni ka cyclonic storm bajam ci